Hi guys, your boy Sean here. Just a quick video today because I just want to help out a few people who've been asking me some questions. I had these very important questions regarding setting up of the complete registration event. Because as of late, right now, I've moved from setting up the objective lead to basically just using the complete registration objective. So I've decided to just shoot this quick video and then just show you guys how you can set up that thing, and also how you can set up the how you can connect the conversion API from Meta to Everflow networks, like for instance Cache Network, mostly Cache Network, and other Everflow networks, and also PerformCB because these are the ones that I'm actually using. I think we're gonna also have. Basically, I'm gonna show it for Cache Network or just any Everflow network that any network that you pushing with, which actually uses this Everflow client dashboard and stuff like that. And also if you're promoting with PerformCB. Yeah, I'm not gonna talk about the pros and cons of it because it's something that you can also check it out. But it's good to sometimes test using the complete registration objective when you're setting up your ads. Especially when you're running up, some of these high payout offers or, financial lead gen offers, you really need to tell Facebook or Meta, as it is now known, what exactly you were looking for. So let's start with the pixel side. In case you don't know how to set up a pixel, so we're gonna set up the pixel. Then we're gonna go to Cache Network. Then we're gonna go to PerformCB, and I'll show you how to set up those two. All right, so let's say for instance you started from scratch and you don't know how to create a pixel. So yeah, here we go. You have to go to connect your data. You're gonna click your web. I'm gonna go fast because I want this video to be short and straight to the point, guys. All right, then you create a new data set here. You type the name of it. So in this case, I'm just gonna go to tests, to whatever. Then you don't need to request this one. Then you go to create. All right. Now that we're here, we're gonna network is a bit slow. Let me see if I'm connecting the right one. Okay. All right. So we're gonna skip everything here and just go to setup manually. All right. There we go. Then we're gonna go to conversion API and Meta. We're not gonna do this one, the first one, the recommended one. Next. Then straight out from here, we just go to start skip setup. All right. I'm gonna click on finish here. Then we're just gonna go to the next, continue, and then under e-commerce and retail you're gonna click on it and you're just gonna go to financial services. That's what I do. So all I need right now is just a complete registration, the view content, and then the lead objective. This is the one that I want. So I'm gonna click on that and we go to continue. Set up events to just highlight everything here because you just want to go for the best practices. So we're gonna just check everything. Everything that we have here. Right. Right, I'm not using mouse here, so it's just gonna take a little bit of time. All right. I'm using a laptop, so no mouse. So let me just turn this thing off. Yeah, I will just keep and tell you guys that all I have to do is check everything, since I'm not gonna use this one anyway. I just go faster. Right. We're gonna go to continue. Then everything is set up from here now. The next thing you need to do is just click on continue. We're gonna do the same thing. We continue. Right, then we click on get started, and then what you need to do is to generate the access code. So we're gonna click on it, take that code, and you're gonna go to your Cache Network. Then from here, all you need to do is just go to company settings first. Then you click on integrations. Then you just go to Meta, and then you're gonna go to Meta Business. Then you type the name, whatever the name of the business name is. For me, I'm just gonna do whatever the test again, whatever. Then I'm just gonna put an access token here. Then we add. Now, the next thing we go to prospects. So the thing is, this is a bit complicated. So I don't know everything off the top of my head. So I'm just gonna do what I do. I just do this. I have a template already, which is like 2025 for now. Click on edit. So what you do first, you go ahead and you click on pause back. Then leave everything as is. Then just go to delivery methods, and then you're gonna click on your meta. Then select your business, which was like test at the time. Like what you put it right there. Then you go back to your Facebook events manager. And then yeah, we're gonna go to continue, finish here first. And wait for it to come up. All right, there it is. Then we go to settings. And then okay, this is the one that we want, the data set. What's this? Yeah, the data set ID. We copy that one. You just click on it. You don't need to copy like that. You go back to your cache network, and you do the same. You just put a megapixel there. There we go. Pixel ID. Then event. We just want to choose this one, the complete registration one. And then action source. We want it to be website. Then the meta custom data, we're gonna have to copy what I have, which what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to I'll see if I can copy this thing, but because this one, the one that's more important, just send me a message and comment in the below in the comment section. Just comment if you need the script, especially the last one here. If I don't put in the description, just drop a comment in there. All right, so the first thing we're gonna start with the currency. We're gonna go back here. We're gonna go with the currency, okay, which is like from here you come here. It's simply just the offer currency. So you go in there and just type in currency, all right, and it's gonna come up as offer currency. Right. The next thing we need to do is now we go back to data field. We need to add the value, which can be amount, but let's follow here payout amount. So we come here, we say amount. It's gonna be payout amount. Then the third one is going to be under meta, because remember the first two, they're actually under meta custom data. Then the second one is going to be, like the first two are going to be under the same meta custom data. And then the third one is going to be under meta user data. So you're going to click on that one, and then you're going to look for FPC, which is this one. And then, you're going to have to, this is what I'm saying. You can, if I don't put in the description, just, drop a comment. Or you can just zoom in and check it out, because it's literally just FB1. So I think we come here. It's not, it doesn't come out. It's FB. It doesn't come up in there. So this is why I just have this one. Just ask for it. I just paste it. So it's FB.1. There's nothing special in there. If you come in here, it's just this. There's two. So maybe I can just keep it a little bit, and then you can, whatever. So yeah. That's it from there. After that, we just click on add. Then we're done for what? For cache network. That's over and done with. You do the same here. You come to PerformCB under tracking pixels. And you click on it. You can just write whatever you want to write. Whatever the thing that is. And then you're just going to come here and click on the first one, the main conversion. Then under type, you're going to click on Facebook conversion API, this one. Then we're gonna go back and we get a pixel ID, which all you need to do is just click on it. Let's submit pixel ID. Let's make you see everything. Pixel ID, there we go. Then Facebook pixel access token. We're gonna have to get it again, which is just gonna be a matter of scrolling down a little bit. Make sure you just turn this on. I don't really know why I do. All right, we're gonna look for that, which unfortunately it's not coming up here. Then we need to refresh. We don't need this. It usually just comes up here. So let's just refresh a little bit. Okay, so let's go back there. Go down a little, down. There we go. Then you generate access token. Then you take it. I think we're done from this side now. The next thing we do, you just come here and you put in your access token. You paste it in there. Event type, complete registration. Here you can just put the domain of your landing page, or just the domain. But remember that domain. Let's say this is the domain. You're gonna have to, you need to check that same domain, and you need to add it down here. We go back here. And we need to put that same domain right here. You click on create allow list. You put your domain name in here. Why do you need to put a domain name? Is because sometimes your pixel won't fire, especially the lead objective might not fire. But sometimes it doesn't matter. But just put it there just in case. Put your domain name there. You put it there, but it's usually it's just www your domain.com, nothing else. Then you add next. You don't if you put anything else, it's not gonna work. Just put a .com and that's it. Start with www. Yeah. I think that is it for setting up this thing. Oh yeah, we're not done yet. Then we come back here. Sorry about that. We just click on add tracking pixel. I'm not gonna add it because already this is a test one, so it doesn't really matter. I'm not gonna use it. So after you click on add, it's gonna just come up, and you're done setting up with this. Then the next thing is when you're creating your campaigns. For instance, let's give an example of creating a campaign. Things like this now. Okay. Then another thing that I need to share. Just 1 second. Go. You just have to click on leads. Right. Whatever you name it, it's up to you. Whatever you name this thing, nothing here. Next, you're gonna just click on website. You're gonna have to come to your pixel name. No, we need to refresh because our pixel is not yet up. All right, then we come back here and then we're just gonna click on a pixel. Well, it's not coming up. But anyway, let's just say this is the pixel. You click on the pixel, then under events, remember we used to use lead, now we're just clicking on the complete registration. So that's what you'll be doing now. Then the rest, how it's done. Okay, yeah, so that's it for setting up the conversion, Facebook conversion API with Everflow and PerformCB. That's it. We have another one, which is the audiences. Someone was telling me that they're having a lot of duplicate clicks. So they just wanted to find out if there's a way around that. Yeah, so there is a way. One way is I don't have much audience here, but then what you need to do, you create a custom audience first. Website, next. Then you just look at the website. So let's say, for instance, this one works perfectly when you're using complete registration. Or even if you don't want too many duplicate clicks, what you can do is say lead, for instance. So usually go on area. So you need to the pixel that you're using to run the particular campaign you're running, and special occasion area. Sometimes you have clicks, then you have duplicate clicks. So you might have 50 clicks and 100 duplicate clicks, meaning you're having the same people coming to the same page over and over again, or the same ad over and over again. So what you need to do is you need to exclude that audience. So for instance, we have lead here, right? And then you're gonna type whatever lead, for instance, and then whatever we're gonna call it lead. Right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a campaign. So we have leads. Another one might be what else can you use? Sometimes can be an engagement on a fan page or some stuff like that. Is that what we have? Do we have that? All right. Let me see. We might have a fan page. This is Pixel, but Pixel works much better. Or you want people to visit specific. So let's say you have a domain name. You have a landing page. Let's say dot. So that's 2, right? And then you don't want people to visit that one because you create another landing page. You can now create another landing page like this, for instance. Sorry for being too fast. Maybe it's 4. Maybe you have people that will land it on 3, and you don't want them to. You don't want another ad to see the same people. You want them to only see the new one. What you do is here is where you're gonna put that slash, which is like this stands like 3. So you're gonna say anything that contains 3, because the URL can be whatever you have there. So you just put a 3. Meaning this is just gonna be a bit complicated, but let's just try this. This one. No, this one is a bit complicated, so let's not go to that one. Let's just use the pixel, for instance, because this one is for, when you want to retarget and all the stuff. But we don't talk about retargeting here. So yeah, we just want all visitors and we just want the lead. Now let's create a campaign. So we create a new campaign, right? For instance, that's the campaign that we already have now. You come in here. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to say this. Let's refresh it for it to work. You're going to say, we're going here on the audience, which is, we're going to we're going to So here's the thing. Now what happens when you put this thing under exclude? Where is the country? Yes, this is under custom audience exclusion. So it's going to exclude people who actually clicked or landed on this landing page before. So it can go as much as saying, when you create a complete registration campaign, now you can say you want to only target people who clicked on lead but did not complete as in they didn't convert as an actual ad. But for now, we just want to talk about the simple one, whereby when you're getting clicks on your cache network or whatever network, you're not getting duplicate clicks. This is the best way to go about it. You just create an audience right here, all visitors, and then not all visitors per se, lead. Oh, sorry. So we're only going to target those people, and we're going to exclude people who converted or people who clicked on your landing page's call to action. That's what you put here. So now what's going to happen with this ad it's going to only show people who are seeing this ad for the first time, not someone, and then it's going to hide the ad from the people who've seen the ad before. So I hope you get that. So if you have any questions, just let me know. For now, I just wanted to make a quick short video. All right. Okay, guys, I'm out of here now. Sharp.